Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products, so be sure to hit that subscribe button for the latest videos. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and maybe even share with a friend. Both those really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is by a company called Amico. It is a Festoon or string lighting that will liven up your backyard, make a great ambiance. I was looking for something like that for our backyard, and this is the product I settled on. So I wanted to go over all the details of why I chose this one. There will be a link in the description that will take you to Amazon if you want to check out this particular product, see what the current price point is, all that fun stuff. But once you order it, it comes in this little box right here. Pretty straightforward. Then this is the string lights right here. So everything, I haven't installed it yet, obviously. So it's all wrapped up and ready to go. Now, why I chose this, it has, the cord length itself is 49 feet. It has 15 individual sockets. It's commercial rated, so the cord is, everything is really well made, and particularly it's UL certified, which was important to me. I didn't want just anything. I wanted it to be UL certified. The strands of lights are basically, they're 37 inches apart, and then they hang down about 3.5 inches, and they have 11 watt screw-in light bulbs. So the bulbs themselves are incandescent, so they have that nice warm 2000, 2500 kelvins. Of course, you can put in LED bulbs in this if you want, because they are screw-in fixtures. You just need to make sure they're under the 11 watts. And they also does, kind of like Christmas lights, it includes a fuse in case something goes wrong. You just push that forward here. There's a fuse in there, and then a spare fuse in case you ever need that. And then it just plugs into a standard outlet. So that's kind of the setup. It is weatherproof. It has that rating for being out in the elements, which is important because this is going in the backyard. It is also dimmable, which is another important thing that I was particularly looking for, because I wanted something that was dimmable. So I want to, we'll install this up, set it up in the backyard, let you see how it looks at night. We'll see how well it performs in the dimming, because it is hooked up to a dimming outlet for me. And get that glowing ambiance in the backyard that I want. They also include a instruction, little safety manual, and then they include all the light bulbs. So here is all the light bulbs. And like I said, it's just a typical bulb that screws in. So that is the lay of the land. Like I said, I'll include a link in the description. You want to check it out. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and get this all undone and hung up in the backyard, set up, lit up, and see how well it all works in the end. All right, they are all installed. It was real easy to hook up. Nice thick wires. So we'll go ahead and dim them, because that was an important feature. So you can see they work great with the dimming. All right, so like I said, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check these out on Amazon, see what the current price is. And that's it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.